He's a very laid back, easygoing dog. So he feels challenged. He doesn't play.
Look at that dog. There goes that ball over there.